Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering WASSCE 2018 Mathematics Past Question 1. Simplify root 108 plus root 125 minus root 75. A. Root 3 plus 5 root 5. B. 6 root 3 minus 5 root 5. C. 6 root 3 plus root 2. And D. 6 root 3 minus root 2. Now this is a surd and we are asked to simplify this surd. So we're given root 108 plus root 125 minus root 75. Now root 108 can be expressed as root, and 108 can be seen 36 multiplied by 3 plus root 125 can be expressed as 25 multiplied by 5. Now if you look at this, we are trying to express these numbers as a product of a perfect square. If you look at 36 here, 36 is a perfect square. Likewise 25 is a perfect square. Also the same thing will apply for 75. 75 now will be 25 multiplied by 3. Now this 25 here is a perfect square. We can now see that this is equal to root 36 multiplied by root 3 plus root 25 multiplied by root 5 minus root 25 multiplied by root 3. Now from this we can now see that the root of 36 is 6, then multiplied by root 3, that will give us 6 root 3, plus root of 25 is 5 multiplied by root 5, that will give us 5 root 5, minus root of 25 is 5 multiplied by root 3, that will give us 5 root 3. Now from this we can collect like terms by saying 6 root 3 minus 5 root 3 plus 5 root 5. And from here you see that what the 6 root 3 minus 5 root 3 will give us what? Root 3 plus 5 root 5. And this is the answer to this question, and that is option A. So option A is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.